Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your favorite song as a sound of an alarm on the JBL Link music speaker. So to change this default alarm sound, you have to say, "Hey Google, set music alarm."
Alright, when's the alarm for?
Today, 5 p.m.
Okay, and what would you like me to play?
And right now you can say your favorite music, the title of the music. And then you can find your alarm by selecting your speaker. Cancel alarm. Go to the settings icon.
Sorry, what did you want me to play?
Go to the audio and then go to the audio, alarms, and here you can find your music alarm. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.